Why are good people stuck at bad jobs? I read that on a whiteboard and I immediately regretted that I missed that conversation. So now I decided to do a short video series around this topic. Even in our industry, where it's still relatively easy to find a new job if you don't like your old one, relatively easy, at least compared to other industries, people often feel stuck at their jobs. They feel stuck in a bad job. And in this video, I want to explore reasons why people feel stuck and also talk about things they could try to get out. And to do this, I need your help. My name is David and I'm an independent consultant and trainer. And most of the time, I love what I do. Different clients, long and short projects, teaching, coaching, working with people. But I can totally relate to when people feel stuck in a bad job, because I sometimes feel stuck too. Not necessarily in a bad job, although I had those too, but stuck at what I do and where I am in my career. And I spend a considerable amount of time and effort on things that I think will help me not get actually stuck. So in this video series, I want to talk about those things that I do and also about reasons why people might feel stuck at their job. But this video series should not be only about me. I also want to talk about you and your problems and your reasons. So please tell me your stories. Did you ever feel stuck in a bad job? Or do you know someone who currently feels that way? Why did you feel stuck? And what exactly prevented you from getting out? And did you already get out? And if so, how did you get out? Please send me a direct message on Twitter. My name is dtancer there and my DMs are open. Or send me an email to business@davidtancer.net. I will anonymize your story and never mention your name or any company name. So how do we make sure that people do not feel stuck at bad jobs? One way would be to eliminate bad jobs. But that's not something that you can do by yourself. And it would take a long time. And it's also kind of subjective what is a bad job to you. So are there things you could do now to improve your situation? In this video series, I want to talk about them. And to do that, I need your help. Please tell me your stories. Send me a direct message on Twitter. My name is @dtancer there. And then share this video with people you know so that I hear more stories and so that I can show a more complete picture.